how to backup voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on Backup Data. And after click on Backup Data, turn off this button and you will see voice recording is here. If you want to backup voice recording, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on backup now. And after click on backup now, you will see voice recording is backup data. After the process, click on done and go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup the voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.